Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Hi,
Good.
Arun. Welcome to the session.
Hello. So my name is Arun. I am from Chandwala district in MP. I have studied with the maths and science in schooling, and I went for graduation in Bhopal. So and then I completed my BTech there, and with computer science branch. Then I came to Delhi, and
Okay.
Chandwala, you would be knowing Chandwala is famous because of the Kamal Nath. He was MP from there uh, for a couple of years, and the Hanuman temple is famous there. 101 feet long statue of the Hanuman temple in Simaria, Chandwala. So
Okay.
and Patalkot Valley is also famous in Chandwala. And in Chinmala district itself, there is a museum, tribal museum. So the earlier the tribals were what were their lives and how they used to live, utensils they used to do, they used. So all things are there in the that museum.
Okay. Good to
And
know, Arun.
yes, yes,
I'm glad you already told me about everything
yes.
related to you. So, what do you really do?
I am right now. I am not doing anything.
Okay.
Yes,
Are you
yes.
preparing for something?
I am not preparing for something right now. I want to go home.
Okay. You really want to go home.
Yes, for some
Okay.
days. Yes, I may do some course
Okay. So,
like
you're planning to do some
maybe
course later.
maybe LLB.
Okay. LLB is. So,
Yes,
how come you got interested in LLB?
LLB. I see the hearing of the High Court and Supreme Court in the YouTube, and also my friend is also lawyer, and in my family also there are some two person who are lawyers,
Okay.
and yes,
That kind of inspired you or made you interested in LLB, right?
yes, yes, yes.
Okay. You said you really want to go home for a few days. What is, what do you want to do the moment you go home? You want to have good food, home
I
cooked
will I
food.
will meet with I will meet with my friends and eat something outside, and visit some places. I will visit some place.
Okay. Can you tell me about one such place in your hometown that you'd really like to visit?
There is famous a temple. So Hanuman temple, it is in the Nagpur road. So Nagpur is around 100 kilometer from my hometown. Only
Okay.
that is. So in that way only the temple comes.
Okay. So you'd really want to visit it. It's
Yes.
one of my favorite
We al-
places.
Sorry.
Is it one of your favorite places to go?
Yes, it is because it's near to my home. It's near to my home. Yes.
Okay. And what about food? What kind of food do you want to have?
Food I like the sometimes nowadays I like the masala dosa, South Indian
Okay.
food.
Okay, that is nice.
Yes,
And you
and
said,
and in sweets dessert like gulab jamun, you can I can eat as much as you give.
even I like
Mm,
gulab jamun a lot. I can eat a lot of
yes,
them at the same time.
yes,
Okay. So you said you're currently in Delhi, right?
yes.
So how would you describe Delhi different from your hometown? How different is Delhi from your hometown?
It is very different in the sense that people are very engaged in their work and they don't interfere in others' life, and they don't judge very often, especially those who are in jobs and those who are working professionals, and maybe the some person who are coming for work, like small work, street food, wage.
Business.
Yes, so they
Right.
if they selling like these type of person, they may argue with people, but those high profile people, they don't do if they have to do, they will do all the things in legal form. And the
Okay.
pollution is there, air pollution is there, water logging problem is there, but despite that, job opportunities are there, and high paying salary is there, but then you have living cost is high here, and so for studies also students comes here like in DU, and they study in
And other
different colleges.
institutes.
Yes,
Okay, I can understand all these points. I mean, even though it's a little polluted and people are busy with their own work, but still there are much more opportunities in Delhi, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. So today we're going to talk about something which is if you had to lose a sense. Now, I'm sure you already know we have five senses, right? Touch, smell, hear, vision, all these things, right? So, what would you say if you had to lose a sense? What would it be?
Mm, I think I really don't want to do that, but still uh, maybe test, but because that is only option, I think. And then next, maybe hearing,
Okay. A lot of
but
if I
I cannot stop. I cannot stop myself seeing the bird.
obviously if all these five senses are really crucial, and if you were to
Yes.
ask me this question, I would say probably the sense of smell. Did you lose your sense of smell during COVID any time? Did you
No,
experience
I did
anything?
not. Never.
No. So my
No.
family actually got COVID, and then all of us lost their sense of smell. So no matter what we were eating, we couldn't taste it really well.
Hmm. And the vaccine, if you getting back, some people got shocked when they got vaccine. Like I
Okay.
also
So
got
you got
ill.
did you get the vaccine?
Yes,
Okay. And do you have a tell me something about into something.
yes.
So can you tell me about one such memory with your family? Like whenever you guys gather up, what is something that you like to do?
We usually gather in the Diwali and Holi, Diwali and Raksha Bandhan only. I do not go often home. So what should I tell? The funny thing? What
Anything, any such thing that you enjoy with your family.
with nothing special. We enjoy when we come together like the different. We are living in different place, and we when we go home, we feel happy, and we that's all.
Mm,
Nothing special. Yes,
nothing special, obviously. All
yes,
a simple conversation and food with everybody in the family
yeah,
is nice, right? Okay.
yes.
So, you live in Delhi. How is the weather there?
Weather is sometimes rainy, sometimes it's clouds are good. Sometimes it's like very polluted, and when it's raining, then it we feel good.
Okay.
Yes.
And it must be quite hot as well, right?
Right
Some
now, it's not there. It's not that much hot because it rained.
earlier it was.
Yes.
Okay. Great talking to you. Okay. And let me give you some quick feedback points. So, as far as I can see, your confidence is quite good. You're very enthusiastic to talk. You have something to say. So, that is really good. Okay. You try to
Yes.
say whatever you have in mind, you want to express that. So, that is a very good thing. Keep that up. Okay. And apart from that, I would say that there are a few points you should focus on. For example, your vocabulary. It's not bad, but it's kind of limited. You need to explore more words, inculcate more things in your vocabulary. For that, as well as sometimes you make errors with sentence formation and tenses here and there. I know that you're familiar with tenses and all sort of things in grammar. It's just you're not quite aware of it. Okay. So you have to actively make your brain aware about it, that I should be making correct sentences. If I'm talking about the past, I should use was or were. Okay. These kind of things. And apart from that, what you can do is whatever words that are given in your vocabulary section in the session notes, go through those words every day before the session and make up a few sentences using those words. Okay. So
Yes.
understand the meaning of those words and how they're pronounced and make up 2 to 3 sentences using each word. Doing that, okay, you can analyze your own sentences or you can ask the next speaker that I made these words. Can you correct these sentences? I made these sentences. Can you correct them? Are these sentences correct? Okay. So in this way, you can also get it corrected. Okay. Another thing is TED Talks. For example, you must be watching a lot YouTube, right? YouTube?
Yes.
Yes. So you can watch a few things like TED Talks and podcast of some renowned personalities because they seem to have a very good level of communication skills. So you can watch these videos with subtitles to analyze the type of sentences they are making. Okay. What phrases are they using? What kind of words are they using in their conversations? Okay. And try to actively copy it because listening and speaking are connected. When you actively listen, you'll speak well. Okay. So these are the suggestions that I have for you. Do you want to ask me anything?
No, thank you.
Not really. But you should always have questions for the teachers, okay?
Yes, you already gave me the suggestions, so that I wanted the suggestions.
Okay. Then it
Yes,
was really nice talking to you, Arun. I want to wish you all the
yes,
best and happy Sunday.
yes,
Okay.
please and
Bye-bye.
bye.